Avila, drop pass to Estrella. He finds Musay. Estrella puts it up. Yes, got it. You're tired. Lahoy, picking. Attacks baseline. Reverse. Yes, sir. The ball reverse. Layup by Lahoy. And it's Lauro. Avila against Marino. Lauro goes for the jumper. 80 all. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Hey Marino, the entry pass to Lahoy. Yes, sir. It's Lahoy. Lahoy has been the bread and butter for Lunas. So to begin now back on the position. Lauro locates Lauro number 24 to Lauro in the mid-range or Husay. Yes, sir. That's a mid-range shot by Husay. So again, 80 to all as we are now approaching the crucial stage of this matchup. Here comes Kabasi. He applies brakes. He shakes. He drop pass to Hermoso. And a beautiful one. It's Himarino. Off the pass from Kabasi. 83, 84, 82. Lauro 24. Avila aims. Long trigger. Off target. And the ball secures by Himarino. They're running on. It's a careless pass. It goes on to Lauro. Chest pass. It's Husay. Yes, sir. 84 all. It's a beautiful exchange. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Last 2 minutes. Hermoso for the side step, losing it. Estrella. It goes out to Husay. They're looking for the lead. Husay, no good. There's a whistle. 2 free throws. Husay will take free throws. A crucial free throws for this guy. Yes, the first. 85-84. It's 85-84. And the last service is not. And the ball, it is a dangerous pass. Another turnover. The ball push. It's Lauro. Lauro drive it strong. Gets denied. Wrong save of his symbol. 23 seconds. 14 seconds in the shot clock. Estrella for the throw in. He finds Tanghal. Tanghal comes it on. Lose it. Tanghal backs it back. It goes to Husay. Husay to the left. Ball away. Uses the window. Is that? And the ball now is still. Be back on business. Estrella trying to separate. No good. 1 minute and 5 seconds. A pass now in low. Yes, sir. 86-85. Exactly 1 minute. Husay now against Lahoy. There he goes. Husay escapes. Drive is wrong. No. Rebound contest. Symbol. 13 shot clock. Here we go. Husay will take the inbound. Nice this to Lauro. And there's contact. And Lunas will burn their final timeout. Seconds remaining. Technical, okay. So, continue na siya, pero amo nang i-buzzer 6 seconds remaining. Marino. Four shot clock. O patalay shot clock ha, 4 na lang, 4. Okay, 4 shot clock. 4 shot clock. Amo na i-buzzer. Wala na, nasa technical problem. Okay, 4 seconds to shoot. Dili sa James, 4 seconds to shoot. Oh, 6. Oh. In the 6 seconds, buzzer niya. Okay, in the 6 seconds remaining, buzzer niya. No good. Stepping. 2.4 seconds. 2.4 seconds. 2.4 seconds. Team foul 1 pa. Ang tubigan. Team foul 1. Okay, this is it. Let's say, ball game.